welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join us with the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much, American supporters. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, get excited. I know you guys miss the hair videos. I know you guys love that. So today's video, you guys know I changed my look, and now, you know, this is not like forever, just for now, you know, since it's been so hot. So I decided to chop off my hair. It was like here, but you know, the ends was like a little thin, so I just like chop everything off, and loving this look. So today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how you can change your hair color with a wig, just like that. And I'm not talking about length. You can also change the length to the texture. You know, with a wig you can do a million different looks, and you have many possibilities. So today I'm just gonna show you guys how I change the color from blonde to this. Alright, so if you don't know how it's done, keep watching, and I'm gonna have the link for Irresistible Me down in the description of this video, discount code, and everything you guys want to know about them. You guys know I use them for many years. They are one of the best of hair extension, wig, ponytail, hair accessories and tools. I do have my clip-ins and my ponytails right back here on my reach, you know, now that I don't have much hair, so I was using the ponytails, and my clip-ins, so they're there. I use them all the time, and I have another one in the back there. So yes, so you guys know I'm prepared. I'm like stocked up. All right, so let's try this beauty. So this is a short wig, actually, like I think in my hair length or a little bit longer, but it is in a color. I think this is a natural black. I'm not sure, but when I be editing, I'm gonna put it here for you guys, the color and the length, and also on the description of this video if you guys want to check them out. So they're nice enough to send a little wig up. Thank God I never had these. So here we have her. I feel like I'm the wig master, you know. I have a closet full of hair, wigs, extension. I know, but I love them. I thought they have bangs, huh? They don't, huh? I don't know. Some reason I was under the impression that they have bangs, but it's good because I don't have bangs either, so we are like the same. All right, so this is the wig. It's super pretty, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm not a fan of putting like a glue on my hair, on my scalp, you know. So I love these wigs because they're super easy to install. Glue-less if you want, you know. Just make sure you're not gonna go in the street causing trouble, you know, so somebody gonna pull off your wig. All right, so let's jump into this video so don't get so long. But look how pretty she is. The hair is super healthy, super shiny. You guys can see, very soft, smells are fabulous. Look how thick these ends are, gorgeous, love it. So let's start install this beauty. I'm just going to put my hair back in a little ponytail and then put the cap on it, and then we go from there. All right, so we have two caps here. I'm gonna put one on, and let's see if one is enough. Ah, yes, more than enough. I'm gonna put her on, and then we're going to see how we cut her. So let me show you guys inside. So she have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips, and she have this little adjustable like strap here for you adjust on your head if your head's too small, and then she have this little closure piece on the back here. All right, so let me just put her on so I know how she looks before I cut it. Okay, so it's not in place back there. Oh shit, just hold it here. I know that something wasn't right. So that's how she would be. Love it, the black hair, loving the vibe. She's so pretty. Oh my god, you love it. I always feel like my head, I don't know if my head is too small or because I always like the place where you cut here on me, it's always like she's secure in place. So now let's cut it. Alright, so I'm going to start cutting from the middle. Don't be out there judging me because you guys know I don't know much what I'm doing with the wig, so let's do this. This is so perfect, so beautiful that if you don't want to put glue on it, it's so secure that you can literally get away without putting glue on it. But I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on the sides because I feel like, you know, it's pulling up. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back with you guys so we can see the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So I went in and I added just a little tiny bit of glue to the front part so it stays in place, and then I flat iron her a little bit, and I did trim like the front. She had like these like pieces hanging here, so I just trimmed that. But that's the final look. Gorgeous, I love it, super pretty and stay in place, really really nice. So what you guys think? You prefer blonde or black? Right, so I'm going to have the info for the wig and for Irresistible Me here when I be editing, and on the description of this video I'm going to have the link and discount code if you guys wanted to give this beauty a try. Super easy. I love the final result, so you guys let me know down in the comment below if you guys love this beauty as much as I did. This wig is 100% human hair, so you can straight, you can curl, you can wash it, cut it, bleach it, do whatever you want because it is 100% human hair, and you guys can see it's super healthy, super shiny, super pretty. Love it, the results. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you guys next video. Bye.